Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is how to enter currency rate into ABSS and MYOB system. First of all, you have to activate your multi-currency function first. Go to setup, preference, under system, tick this I deal in multiple currency system-wide and go to list, go to currency. For example, I want to update my USD dollars currency rate. Double click inside and change it from here. Maybe today is 1.33056. Click OK. Close. So when I entering the US dollar transaction, I will able to see my rate is the table rate, the list rate 1.330560. Of course, you also can change during the transaction. Like let's say for example, I want to change this rate to 15608. If I tick this update current exchange rate in the currency list with transaction exchange rate, it will automatically update my list, my table rate. Just click OK and go back to the list under currency, double click the USD. See, it changed to just now the transaction rate that I updated. Thank you.